Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you how to have much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on display brightness. Then let's scroll down and localize the eye care, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. We can of course turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. It will be really comfortable. If you'd like to customize it, we have to simply tap on this option, and let's start with the intensity. Just by using the switcher we can set it on the cooler side, and you can see that it is not that intense, and by going to the right we can set the warmest option, and of course it's up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. Just check whether it will affect the text, for example, the colors, and then the site. We can also schedule that feature. Let's tap on it. The off option is the manual option, of course, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can custom the schedule, so choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the feature automatically. And you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device decides when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's up to you. I prefer the off option, so the manual option. Alright, so basically this is the customization of this mode, and in order to have much faster access to this option, we have to unroll the top bar, and let's localize it in this icon package kind of. And as you can see, the eye care is here. So let's simply tap on it to turn on this option, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.